When installing all roof components, extreme care must be taken to follow all safety regulations. In the strictest of locations, any worker who is 6 feet above the ground must have adequate fall protection. Before continuing, you must ascertain all safety codes applicable at the job site, and you must follow these regulations. When preparing sheets, you can install roll mastic on the leading edge of each sheet if desired. Though not completely necessary, this could help keep out dust if you are in a high wind area. When installing roof sheeting, you should start sheeting on the side of the building that is furthest away from the prevailing winds, and sheet toward the prevailing winds. This will limit the stresses where the sheeting overlaps. After readying sheets, raise into position and align the trailing edge of the sheet with the edge of the building. You will notice how the sheeting sticks out past the edge of the eave purlin. To ensure that your sheets are straight, you need to make sure that both ends of the sheet stick out the same amount. It is imperative the first 3 sheets are even, or all remaining sheets will be uneven. Next, you will want to mark where the screws will go along the length of the sheet. The screws will be installed in every location where the rib of the sheet intersects a purlin. So using your chalk line, mark the center of the purlin flange on your sheets. After marking your high rib, secure sheeting to purlin using a crest fixing roof screw. Take care to never step on a high rib while walking on your roof, as this could crush the high rib, which can be unsightly. Continue sheeting across the roof until the sheeting is complete.